Hello everyone, my name is PREKSHITH. I am from first year Computer Science and Engineering. Startup company name Stallion Association. Product present name Air Conditioner. Product proposed name EcoBreeze Air Conditioner. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing stage. Eco-friendly and different modes, motion sensor and voice controlling and lamp sensor light. Define stage. Based on empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name air conditioner, futuristic product name EcoBreeze air conditioner. Ideate stage. Some of the additional features are added. Solar panel which can save power consumption, a motion sensor and a voice controlling device, different types of modes like weather, smart speaker for music, time, Wi-Fi enabled sleep mode and alert mode. Air quality sensor is used to sense the quality of air conditioning. Prototype stage. The working model has to be manufactured. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.